Let's talk about digital marketing for beginners. Is there a way that you can launch into the digital space without any experience? And the answer is yes. There is a program out there that gives you a complete done-for-you system in the digital marketing world, which means you don't have to build a website, which means you don't have to be tech savvy, which means you don't even need to have a following. The process in the program literally walks you through step by step, goes from beginner friendly, zero following, zero knowledge about digital marketing, to learning and earning at the exact same time. You guys, I discovered this process in September of 2022. Literally 2 years ago this month, I went from struggling, wasting so much time and not getting any results to following this process, so beginner friendly in the digital marketing space that I learned how to master a 2-hour workday. I learned these skills to attract daily paying customers to my automated business. And I learned how to build a business to 6 figures in 6 months without spending any money on a monthly basis. And it was all by following a proven blueprint. So if you are ready to learn and earn at the same time, learn digital marketing skills that can help you reach your goals and dreams, put ready in the comments and let me get you the blueprint details.